Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy has asserted that thorough research of age-old culture and tradition from architects kept at the museum will reveal ancient traditions. Manipur State Museum and Art and Culture organized International Museum Day 2024 under the theme Museums for Education and Research at the auditorium of Manipur State Museum today. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner Joy said museum gives the opportunity to explore the culture and traditions followed by the ancestors. Taking into consideration the utilities of museum, International Council of Museums started to observe International Museum Day on May 18th, 1977. He said the next generation will be facilitated about the age-old culture and traditions from the architect kept at the museum. As part of the event, retired Director of Art and Culture K. Sobita and retired Professor of Department of Anthropology, Manipur University, Dr. Nabakumar spoke on museum as a visual educational center and museum and culture heritage respectively.
Myoy haurakpham aduga culture ge haurakpham mayam si kamaina lakhige haibasigi education madugi research tawbuda khangnanaba polam cheram artifact mayam jinga sei koina museum da loina collection toroga mafam chana display tawduna magi maming katha sing iraga magi sok tarik sing iraga matam maduda civilization kamaina horai myoy bagi hauna lonja chaba thakpa leiriba aikogi dharma gi chanabi culture gi chanabi mayam jinga si kari kari kamaina horukhiga haibasi museum da leriba artifacts sing asi ekoni ye kana ekoni khangba ngami ana anauba ekoi generation na haurakpagi wari asi khange haredi sida leriba artifact amatang yengbada madugi value aduna ekoina aiba amadagi di sida artifact ama lerambasina henna ekoi kanangmo amada khangan ba heli